Look. Do y'all see that? You are Amazon ambassador, baby. Y'all already know what time it is. It's time to open up one of our packages from Amazon. We are Amazon ambassador, baby. The name of it up here, and I believe it's called Octobuddy. Octobuddy. You can put this on the back of your phone, and you can stick this anywhere. Like you can stick your phone on the wall or anything like that. It comes with. So this is just extended warranty. Don't know why you would need a warranty on that, but no. This looks like instructions. The adhesive for the back of your phone, because you're gonna place this on the back of your phone. And it looks like this. No more than, okay, so you can't use this no more than 45 minutes to 60 minutes for extended use. No more than 45 minutes, 60. So this can stay, it gives you the option, you see this? It gives you the option to actually stick it on the back of your phone, glue it on the back of your phone. And I like that, look at it. This would be perfect for when I do my videos and I don't have my little light or whatever. Or if I have my light and I can't set my shit up. Perfect, because I can set it, I can boop, suction it to the wall. But y'all go ahead and buy this. It's only like $5 or $6, but it's well worth it. New YouTuber, go try this out. Like I said, I will be placing it below. Go ahead and click the link so you guys can receive a percentage off Amazon. So yeah, go run and get it. It actually came up to cheaper than $6 after my percentage off. So yeah, like let me show y'all. It's suctioning to this. Look, do y'all see that? It's suctioning to this paper. Like, come on. Look. So basically, this is your phone, right? This is your phone. Ooh, you stick it on the back of the wall and it just gonna stick. See? And your phone will stick with it. Brands. Y'all go get it.